Hi, I'm Hansen, and this is my project MedNexus, providing solutions for healthcare. So, this is a unique application that aims to provide solutions for both mental and physical well-being through the power of AI. Now, you may ask, why is this unique? This is unique because it is accessible through your voice and also through your sign language, and it's also translatable into five most spoken languages in the world, so that it can have a global reach and it's accessible by everyone. So, let's see an example. This is Dr. Medico. This is our voice assistant, available on the homepage, and through which you can access different web pages from here.
Hello, Dr. Medico here. How can I help you?
Open diagnosis.
Yes, as you wish.
You have to wait for the recording to start, so only then it will work. So yes, the diagnosis has opened, and then sign language as well. So sign language, there if you show say one finger, it will go to diagnosis. If you show two or three, it will go to consultation. We'll get to that later. I'll show you one example for sign language. Yes, it has gone to diagnosis. It works. When you are trying this and if it doesn't work, just reload the application. It will work completely properly. It will work. Okay, and then it's translatable into five most spoken languages. So let's translate it into Spanish. Yes, it translates to Spanish, and then you can test it for all these other languages. So let's start with the healthcare part of this application. Firstly, diagnosis. So this can identify the risk a patient has of getting a disease, classify the type of disease the person has, as some diseases are classified into different classes, and a wrong detection can lead to various problems for the patient and can compromise the health of a patient. And can also diagnose if this person will get this disease in the future or not. So for heart disease and diabetes, this can predict the risk of getting these diseases and can help in early detection, which can save many lives. For skin cancer and brain tumor, you can upload a picture. For skin cancer specifically, you can upload a picture of your skin, a mole of a picture of on your mole on your skin, picture of a mole on your skin, and it can detect if the mole is cancerous or not. And it can also classify between different types of skin cancers. So let's just test this one out. All of them work, but I can't show all of them because of time constraints. So this has to predict that it is melanoma. So yeah, it has predicted that this is melanoma with 92.79% chance. So this can assist doctors as a second opinion, as a confirmation opinion that their diagnosis is correct or not. So and it can help save a lot of lives and save a lot of problems that can happen. In brain tumor also, this is in the same way it can detect if a person with the scan, the MRI scan, if a person has a brain tumor or which type of brain tumor the person has. For pneumonia, it can detect if a person has pneumonia with just your chest X-ray. So that's how it works. And for leukemia, the people tend to get confused between white blood cells and the cancerous cells. So that's a problem that this can solve completely, where doctors can come to this leukemia for second opinion, for confirmation that this is a cancerous cell and this is a white blood cell, which can help save a lot of lives again, because wrong detection is a main problem still in this world. For breast cancer, kidney disease, stroke, and liver disease, they also work on a machine learning model where a data set is there and can predict if you get this disease in the future or not. This is how it works. And for malaria also, with your peripheral blood smear, you can identify if you have malaria or not. Next, blood donation. So this is a very important thing, and it's a very necessary thing which has to be done, because WHO has predicted that only 1% of people in this full world donate their blood. The blood crisis can be solved in this world. So for blood donation, this uses Cosmos DB, where you can register as a donor, register as a blood bank, or you can make a request to directly connect to the donors. In this, there is no middleman. You can directly connect to the donors. The donors will get an email by the Logic app, and they'll have. It's up to them if they want to donate or not. So you register as a donor. Let's check it out. So register as a donor. You will register as a donor, and then if you register, I just register with anything. Okay, so now I have registered, and then it has shown registered successfully. And also now by the Logic app, it sent an email, a reward to me, saying with an NFT reward. So if I go here, you could mint this NFT as a donor hero, and the owner of this NFT will be a hero for contributing to saving lives. So this can attract a lot of donors to come, as NFT is a big thing now. So that's how you can claim this. I've already claimed a lot of them. So, and you can only claim one per person. So that's how it can maintain everything. So next. So next part in this is register as a blood bank. Here you can register as a blood bank and then request donors directly from here. If you lack some type of blood, or if you need blood for a patient, you can come here and request donors directly. So what you need to do is add your registered email, which you can register from the left part. Then add your required blood group. Then you can send a message for the donors like help, this person needs anything. And then you can request it directly from here. And what it does is this will send an email to the donors with this type of blood group near them. So your request to send to 4 donors in your state. One of them I've added my other email ID as well. So yes, it has come. So see. Where is it? There was a notification. Yeah. So this donation request. So this is how it will request the donors and can help. It can help save a lot of lives because blood, because of COVID and all, people stopped donating blood, and this is how it can bridge the gap. Is you can make a request as an individual. You need blood. Come here, make a request to our donors. You can add your name, email, mobile number, and everything. Message and then request help. This also uses Logic app to send an email to the donors with the required blood group and the location near you, with your details, which it will fetch from the database and they give it to the donor, and then they can contact you as per their willingness. So the next feature, mental health. Finally, mental health. So this can help. This has two branches. One is emotion analyzer and one is stress buster games. So let's start with emotion analyzer. So I had a friend who in college told me, when college started, I had made a joke, and then my friend had told me that he was going through some stuff, and then he told me that he has forgotten how to smile because he did laugh at my jokes. When I asked him, he said he has forgotten how to smile because he was going through stuff at that time. So that's how I understood the importance of smiling. Just smiling normally for no reason can improve your mental health a lot. So that's why I've included a smile exercise, which uses which uses the face API to form a virtual mouse, which you can use only when you are smiling. So let's just start the smile exercise. Start camera. Cursor is at the left corner of this web page. So start camera. And I'll add my phone flashlight to my face since the lighting is bad. Make sure the lighting is good and your face is correctly visible in this small square. And you need to smile first. And then tilt your head. See, it is moving. Hello. It is on top of A right now. Okay, now since I'm using the free one, it is not so quick because I cannot send so many requests correctly. So I send a request every 3 seconds. So then it takes time. So just say okay. Yes, we have reached. And now for the clicking button, we need to tilt towards this side. So yes, finally we have done it. So let's get started with the emotion analyzer part. This can help you keep track of your psychological state through remote video and audio sessions. So let's start camera. So it will detect your emotions through the video, and then it will plot a graph live of different emotions you are feeling. So right now my face is neutral, so it has predicted neutral. So now if I show a sad face,
Hey, is that sadness I see on your face? Here's a joke to cheer you up. Did you hear about the crime in the parking garage? It was wrong on so many levels.
and now if it detects that you are happy,
Hey, glad to see you happy. Hey, keep glad up the positivity. Keep up
that's
the
how
positivity.
it can communicate to you as well, and it's dynamic. And then
Hey, glad to see you happy.
yeah, so I'm very happy.
Keep up the glad to
So
see you
then
happy.
next
Keep
is
up the positivity.
audio session. You can today's day was good. It stopped. Today's day was really good. I enjoyed a lot, and then I got to meet my friends as well. So now it has detected my sentiment through my voice. It takes my voice and then puts it in a sentiment analysis model, and then gives you the sentiment like positive, neutral, mixed, or sad, or negative. So it has detected positive, and now you have to generate a report based on your video and audio sessions. So for generating a report, it will give you a mental health report. It has the video API has detected that my age is 18 male, and dominant emotion was happiness because I was so happy. And then next audio session was also positive. So then the result, it gives you a result that keep up the positivity. So that was mental health. That was mental health emotion analyzer. So next is stress buster games. This is a really simple thing. This has art therapy, pet therapy, and journal writing, which you can use for relieving stress or stress buster. This I'll just put up a photo. So those were the big features of my application. And then next is medical health, quick consultation, and insurance predictor, and more upcoming features. As this aims to be solutions, like it doesn't just focus on one thing; it provides solutions for everything. So next one is medical health. So here you can go add your symptoms and register yourself and add your PIN code, and then with that PIN code you can book an appointment at your nearby hospital quickly. So I have explained this in my previous video for the submission one, and I also create another video where I'll talk about everything, each feature, with giving proper attention to each feature one by one, and create a full version of this demo but because of time constraints, I think I don't want to go too overboard and then get disqualified. So this is where I'll stop. I'll just explain quick consultation insurance predictor. Consultation is an Azure help bot where you can go for consultation. You can add in your problems, like if you have a headache, just add your hair problem, and then it will give you proper consultation, ask you your age, ask you your other symptoms, and then give you a consultation. And it also has an inbuilt mental health screener, which can help for mental health questions as well. Then next one was the insurance predictor, which can predict your health costs. Like it is trained on a machine learning model with your life habits to take basic questions from your life, and then it will tell you what will be your will predict your health costs, your insurance, like how much will you have to pay in your life. So that's it for this video. Please watch my full version video if you found this interesting, and hope you liked the project. Thank you.